Yeah.
We'll be making grilled chicken shawarmas, and you'll see how easy they are to make. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, we start with our chicken. I've taken about 2 chicken fillets and I've marinated it for 3 hours with my chicken spice. You can take any chicken spice of your choice. I've just added in chicken spice, some yogurt, ginger garlic paste and vinegar. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to drizzle some oil in the pan. I'm making a grilled chicken shawarma, so I'm taking the ones with the grill lines. You can opt for a normal pan as well. Now I'm going to place my chicken onto the pan. Now I'm going to let this cook for 4 minutes on slow heat. Now I'm going to flip these. You can see how nice the grill is looking. The chicken was marinated for long, so it doesn't take so long to cook. I'm just going to cook this again for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes I've left it cook. Now I'm going to shred the chicken in the pan. So you just take a fork and knife and then you start shredding. Chicken is looking very juicy. This is how we know the chicken is cooked. Now we're going to take it off the pan because you don't want to overcook it. Just mix this together and stir it for 1 second. Our chicken is looking perfect and so yummy. For next up, we're making our tahini sauce. This is a perfect sauce for shawarmas. I'm going to start with 3 garlic cloves, 3 tablespoons of mayo, you can add about 3 to 4, it just depends on how much you're making, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 teaspoons sesame seeds. Make sure they are white sesame seeds. 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding half a teaspoon. You can add according to your taste. And I added lastly half a teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon vinegar. You can also add in lemon juice. Now we're going to blend this all together. Our tahini sauce is ready. Now in the same pan, we're going to take our shawarma bread and place it. So it gets a nice grilled color on it. You can see our wrap has a nice grill lines on it. Taken some lettuce and cucumber cut into julienne shape. You can take carrots, onions, anything else, whatever you like. I only prefer cucumbers and lettuce. Ready to make. Firstly, I'm going to spread some tahini sauce over the bread. I'm adding some drops of hot sauce. This is totally optional. You can leave the step out. And then just spread this evenly again. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Now my lettuce, and then some cucumbers. I'm going to spread some sauce over this. I just love how the sauce tastes. And there we go. That's all. You can see how easy and simple this is to make. Now I'm going to fold this. Now I'm going to make another one. Make sure the grill side is facing down. Now again, I'm going to spread some tahini sauce. I think without this sauce, your shawarmas are totally incomplete. Spread this again. Chicken, our lettuce, and then lastly cucumbers. You can see how pretty the shape looks, and we're going to fold this. You can see when we're folding how pretty these lines look. Here we go, our shawarma is ready. Chicken shawarmas are ready. You can see how delicious they look, and they are so easy to make. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you guys next time.